Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Boswell, and you're going to be doing Lesson 23, Exit Ticket. Okay, and it says, explain your thinking or use division to answer the following. So you're going to answer these questions, and we're going to do two of them together. We're going to do one using just our thinking, and then the other one we're going to use division. So I'm going to do A and B, and this one I'm just going to use my thinking. It says, is 2 a factor of 34? And I'm going to say yes here, and I'm going to say yes. And how I can explain that is we knew from the lesson that if we looked at the number 34, that it ends in a 4, and 4 is an even number, and that any number that ends in an even number can be divided by a 2, okay, or can be a factor of it. So yes, 2, so we can say yes because the number ends in a even number. Any number, or I'm sorry, I could say any even number can be divided by 2. That one was easy. I didn't even have to show division on that one. Okay, but let's do B. It says, is 3 a factor of 34? Well, I'm not sure. And this time, instead of explaining my thinking, I'm just going to try it out and use division to help explain my thinking. So I'm going to take 34 and I'm going to divide it by 3. I know that 3 can go into the first 3 one time. Okay, so I'm going to do that, our steps. I'm going to divide, multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm going to bring down, okay? And then I'm going to start over. 3 can go into 4, one time. So I can divide. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to subtract. 4 times 3 is 1. Bring down, that's still 0. Oh, can I start over? No, because 3 cannot. So 11 with a remainder of 1. So is 3 a factor of 34? We're going to say no, because it had a remainder of 1. So now you are going to do C and D on your own. Number 2, let's do together. Okay, it says, use the associative property to explain why the following statement is true. Any number that has 9 as a factor also has 3 as a factor. Okay, so I'm going to give us a number sentence because I'm going to use that associative property. I'm going to say 9 equals 1 times 9. Okay, and they're saying that that 3 is a factor. Okay, well, if I use the associative property and I'm going to break down the 9, okay, I know that 3 times 3 is the same as 9, and that's also 1 times. Okay, so I know that 1 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, wait. These are factors of 9, right? So did I just use the associative property? Yeah. I know that if I break down that 9 and use 3 times 3, that is a factor of 9. Okay, so it says any number that has 9 as a factor also has 3 as a factor. Is this statement true? Yes, because 9 can be broken down to 3 times 3, and 3 is that factor. And that's just our way of showing it. All right, remember you're going to be doing C and D